In this video, we want to create a chandelier that won't be only sustainable and functional, but also intricate, sleek, and stunning. With a blend of modern design and affordable material, we also consider the intricate details that will make it unique and also well defined. With the team's combined inspirational ideas and suggestions, they were able to experiment with different shape ideas, textures, and also lighting concepts that will make the chandelier truly unique. The team brainstormed and took notes and were able to conclude on a final design. With their combined expertise and inspired reference, they were able to turn this idea into a realistic concept. And then the modeling team proceeds to drafting the components for the chandelier, giving the accurate measurements needed for it, and final fixes. They were able to compile this and then taken to the next section, which is the cutting process. This highlights the team skills and showcase the collaborative efforts in bringing the chandelier idea to life. In the next section, we will now focus on assembling the square frame structure from layouts and alignment to the final bonding. Before the assembling is made, all measurements have already been prepared ahead in time to ensure symmetric and clean alignment. The first step is laying out the square frame on a flat surface. Each square frame is positioned very carefully in the back board to form a balanced grid layout. Spacing is extremely important here because this determines the overall geometry of the chandelier. So you have to take your time at this stage. Any minor misalignment now is very noticeable. So you have to take your time here because any minor misalignment is very noticeable once the chandelier is installed and illuminated. Once all square frame are placed, we double check alignment. So you can notice how it is being adjusted to make all sides parallel, all corners even, and the entire layout remains symmetrical. And then the dry fit step is to ensure that it is very correct before the adhesive is being applied. Each alignment confirmed, adhesive is now applied to the contact points. Each square frame is bounded carefully to the backing surface. It is very important to apply even pressure to avoid excessive glue, which could affect the clean finish and the frame edges. The assembling is done one square at a time to maintain precision
throughout the process. And as you can see, it is now fixed and mained properly. So in the next part of the video, we will be designing and 3D printing the chandelier lamp holder, the technical assembling, the wiring concepts, and the mounting of the lighting components. And then we review the final stage of the chandelier. You won't want to miss out. If you found this building process helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.